SPY to the downside is going to be below 442.50. And again, this could break before we even get there with the bell because this market is so collapsed right now. All right, you guys can see right here. Look at Netflix. Look at this double bottom bounce from the day before to the day here. Guess what? Gold level. So right here, to get any traction on Netflix, I like it right here at 442.29. It's a little above what it was here, but I need a bigger range of movement. To the downside is going to be below 440. See it? Which again, it could break before the bell because the whole market's crashing. By the way, if you guys are able to short, you know what to do. Right here, key critical level, you can see bounce, 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 gold. So Apple to the upside is going to be above 178.50. To the downside is going to be below 175.35. And again, VIP members and everybody else, you should know if you are starting to look at this for the day, if Apple's your jam, you should already be mapping out and charting every single critical level throughout the day, right?